put your hand down further, now you might hurt yourself. No, further.
Okay, so what did he do first? Hit the top, like this. Yeah, just like. Hit it directly, like. Harder. I know, harder, like you're like cutting into it. There you go. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Okay. You know how you. Hit the top so it cracks.
Today I learned about how to cut the bamboo, and I enjoy it because you get to get your anger out on the bamboo, and it's pretty fun.
You take a knife and then you start cutting the top to make it break down, and then you just keep going on to each of these knots, and then you break it open and you smooth out the middle parts, and then this is your finished product. For me, this means how hard the elderly people back in Thailand, like my parents and grandparents and our ancestors, had went through to build a house. It must be really hard for them, back-breaking especially. And yeah, today I experienced what they experienced, and it's not that easy.
The process of weaving is very difficult. It takes countless experience to master such a task. If you have sensitive skin, you can get cut easily. There are no nails or glues involved to hold the bamboos together, while weaving through the opposite direction creates tensions that holds it in place. This panel will be used for both walls and doors.
Cái lột đã. Mà hàng liêu nhỉ? Nó tự duyên thôi. Bút bùng mua bòi nha, nó to nha. Bút bùng mua hả?
Ta nhá rèn đi. Sa nó kiến tiêu mà, kiến tiêu nhất tiêu nhé.
Mà các bạn phút xuống gan rồi. Ồ, với cặp không? Đi buồn buộc không? Straight.
There's a lot of committed youth as well as seniors working on this project for about 3 months period now. And this is the final phase of the project where they are putting everything together from the walls to the roof and to the inside of the house as well. So I'm pretty sure this is one of the few projects that youth are actually working with the seniors to learn something connected to their roots as far as the cultural roots and how they put the house together and built the house in the old days in the village, as well as a lot of these youth are putting a lot of the effort and time aside to do this. It's not something that they get paid for, so it's a lot of volunteer work, and we need more projects like this within the community. This project is called the Create Project. The purpose of this project was basically to create an environment where the youth could learn based on hands-on experience from the seniors how to connect to the root by building a house, actual house from the Mien village.
Ooh, this is gonna be a tough one. Hey, now you guys gonna have to help me on this.
On what? Putting it up?
No, like, see this right, you know?
This project is very important, especially for younger generation today, because a lot of them don't really know how it feels to be in their parents' position, how their parents were able to build houses like this back in the village, provide food on the table for the family, working in a farm and a field. So this is a great opportunity for that to happen. And I mean, it just brings so much joy to me when I see youth and seniors working together like this. It's like poetry in motion, because a lot of times we neglect the elders who provide so much information for us, and yet we just kind of go on and connect ourselves to mainstream society and forget the important things about our roots and our culture. I can remember even for myself, I mean, I don't really know what some of the things my parents gone through. And when I was young, I used to think, I mean, oh well, you know, I mean, they just don't listen to me because I have different views and they have different views. But after spending a lot of time with these seniors and youth and getting to see how they react together, and at the same time seeing how they work together, that shows how much appreciation I have for my parents and the things that they've gone through to give me this opportunity today. My biggest goal and expectation for the youth from this project is I hope that they would at least walk away knowing how important it is to respect your senior, your elders, especially the information that they have within them, to basically understand how important it is to connect to your roots and your culture. Even though we have a limited budget to work on this project, but we were able to manage by getting some of the bamboos from Mien families that we know within the community for a lower price, as well as the palm tree leaves that we were able to get from neighbors to actually complete this project. Especially within the Mien culture, a lot of the younger generation youth lose sight of the value that they have for seniors. Back in our traditional ways, like we used to have so much respect for the seniors because they are basically the head of the household, the head of the community, and hold so much wisdom. So this project hopefully will shine some light and within the area where the youth could really actually see how important the seniors are to them, and then the information they carry and the cultural roots they carry with them.
Nhấc cái thoi dưới thoi lại.
You pull the muscle?
Hey, how does that look from the outside?
Nice. How does it look?
I don't think it's gonna catch any rain right there.
No. Push it this way more, này.
Nan tại bữa đẹp cho na bữa con côm tạo cho pum phụ trên pa nan bữa tu bữa lộn hoa côm nhập cho pun cho tại bữa cho tôi ao trên na pun bữa mảng liền đâu oga xe tu tao chủ em côm nan tại han sẵn non cho đi bữa năm bả cho na sẽ mặt chăm nhủ nha năm na tuần rồi bữa lộn hoa côm như nhủ chơi han nó cho đi bữa cọ tại chỗ game hao được cho nghe xuống khuyết tàn nó con lồn đá nó sẽ game đá ta cặp chứ lồn đá thôi như cặp chân nòm ngô làn vừa nó chật giấy với ẩm ta ngoài vườn sang khu na hai vườn ta yếm không ai vườn ta phải cho lấy ta vườn kem nó nông cho yếm ta tạo này sẽ chủ hít tu na nó ele có lồn hoa bây giờ chỉ lao tập pu na bữa nó cho nó nhện nó yếm mà nó béo bữa sẽ tại có mình số lượng số để dân tại bữa mà tỏ yếm mà nó tây béo làm mà tây sang khu ngùng mà sang khu hay dùng sẽ tại khu yếm khu nhện đây bữa lột hoa yếm chỉ lột tập pu chỉ lao tập pu na bữa nó liu nó sẽ cho béo làm tóc chú tócว่าปุญญทางชูเสบตับแต่เป็นวันเพ่แต่ปุถุเนี่ยนั่นมาชงตับเดียวมาชงตับแม่ปุถุคอยเส้นตาจุมันแต่ก็น่าปุถุแต่โตทางแต่ปุถุทุกเดียวทุกแม่แต่เวลาอ่านตองลูกคอยปุถุพุงมันแต่ทั้งนอนหลงแต่ก็น่าแต่ต่อเส้นแต่โตแต่จุมันหางเงิน